What you have to say for yourself?
I'm Itachi Uchiha. You already know. Akatsuki. You know how they do it. A cloud representing headband, everything. And the shoes. Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabumba here, and we're back again with another cosplay. Today I'm Itachi Uchiha from one of my favorite animes, Naruto. So let's get into it. I primed my face, and then I did my eyebrows. Then I put on foundation and powder. My skin's looking so good with the foundation and powder. I put all the products that I use down in the description below, so you're gonna see it. You're gonna see I'm gonna pin it, so if you want to know where I buy my makeup, you'll see it down there. Right here, I'm contouring with dark eyeshadow. You could use a contour palette or dark eyeshadow, do what works for you. I'm just doing this because this is what works for me. I do it along my forehead as well. Then I'm going to use this red NYX basically eyeshadow that I also use as blush. I know it looks very vibrant, but I blend it in with my fingers and I get it to the shade that I like. Right here, I'm using concealer in between the contour with a brush. Okay, I'm holding the brush really weird, but the look still turned out really good. I don't like the way I'm holding that brush, but y'all get the gist of it. You just kind of blend along your contour lines. So I kind of just blended the dark contour lines as well as the concealer, so everything just turns out the way I wanted to. Later on, I added a bit of powder to fully blend everything out. And I'm just going right back in. You're gonna see the results right about here. There we go. Oh. So yeah, that red eyeshadow, I just put on my eyelids. Real simple, real easy. All I had to do is put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids and I put the red. You see how vibrant it is? Crazy. I can't believe I barely used this eyeshadow before. Then I put dark eyeshadow, like dark brown, right under my eyes. Then I grabbed actually a lip liner. I used the lip liner to really do the lines that Itachi has on his face, because I've seen people use black eyeliner, but I feel like using a lip liner just makes it a bit more natural. And I really like this outcome a lot more. I'm already smiling while doing my makeup here. Yeah, you just keep going in, drying. And I did put a little bit of gloss later on, you're gonna see, just so it shines bright. You know, I like being a little extra. Because for Itachi, yeah, you could have just done the lines, but we're gonna do eyeshadow and we're gonna make it glossy. And then look at the lips, lip gloss popping.
You haven't even eaten yet.
Yeah. Itachi. I'm Itachi Uchiha. Okay, put some respect on my name.
You look such an adult.
You realize my makeup even says, come on, this is anime. There you have it. That is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll be uploading another cosplay video on Sunday because we're doing 3 uploads this week. I hope I can keep up with this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. I'm really liking this edit. I'm really loving this look. Ooh, the whole fit was actually from Fashion Nova. Almost forgot to mention. And the costume was from Amazon. If you guys want to, you know, shop for it and buy it. And here I just want to show off the outfit, how it looks like without the costume. It's hugging me in all the right places.
Okay. I want to help you throw these things out. I'm gonna go downstairs. Am I still going to the bank with you?
Yeah.
Even though, Carol, you're a big girl and you could go by yourself.
Why don't you want to go with me?
I'll go with you because there's crackheads around that area.
Wow. Follow me because I'll be posting more cosplay, more conventions, a lot more vlogs, a lot more creative things, because that's what I'm all about.